booster comes in the right-hand side of the big old 5,300-pound airplane. Top speed about 250 miles an hour. You push everything forward on the aircraft. That air system ease the back there, kept flying again to take the airplane. Nice big old barrel roll that air show center line for us. Now we saw him demonstrate that 4-point. Now he's going to come back to attempt. I always like to say attempt. You never know with Kevin. He will attempt that 8-point hesitation roll. Again, he's going to trade that out to that airspeed he needs. He's got the nose pushed down. He's looking at air show center. It was about 180 plus miles. There's 2. There's 3. 4 inverted. 5. 6 back to night bed. 7 and number 8, the 8-point hesitation roll. Nothing airplane every 45 degrees of rotation. There ain't nothing in front of Kevin that says stop it here. We need the head of the reenactors demo this afternoon. Please come up to the announcer stand, please. The head of the reenactors group, up to the announcer stand, please.
I'll take a walk in.
Have a rim position back there, so it's going to rain back. Ease the back 6 inches of the aircraft. Roll the airplane. Like big old barrel roll down to the center line one more time for us. All right, kid. Pull your shoes off. Kevin's doing it already. You can't count to 16 without taking his shoes off. He will attempt that 16-point hesitation roll coming up this time. He's got the altitude. He's climbing right now. Beautiful blue sky up here at Selinsgrove. Rolls the airplane around and push the nose forward, push the power up, look about to get 185, 190 plus mile an hour. We got to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122 points. He's done it again. That 16-point hesitation roll, stopping that airplane. Okay, 16 and 360, every 22 and a half degrees. Again, ain't nothing in front of Kevin says, hey, stop here, stop here, stop here. That's 17,000 plus hours of flight time that makes it look easy. The only guy I know that does a 16-point hesitation roll on a T-6 aircraft. Now, Kevin's got nice, pull up air, a pretty sunshine, blue sky over Selinsgrove. Beautiful white smoke trail behind him. Pretty, it's one of the lowest time T-6s you're ever going to find out there. Nice single round barnstorm or loop. Left-hand side of the box, you do the half implement turnaround maneuver. Tension those aircraft up. Eases back across the top. They're going to fly the airplane away. Right in the sunshine, of course. Nobody else does. Of course, the pilot operating handbook, the DOH says, no, you cannot do this. Well, the T-6 aircraft, Kevin says, heck with that book. He's going to bring the aircraft around first time forward. It might start a lot for this beautiful, one of the lowest times. Less than 3,000 hours on this aircraft. Maybe about 3,000 hours now. Get a picture of this beautiful testicle paint scheme on this SNJ aircraft. The Navy version of the T-6. We live with crew chief daughter Spencer. She flies back seat normally with him in the aircraft. Mr. Kevin roll the airplane in vertical. While he's upside down, you're going to see the gear go up. Actually, while upside down, he puts the gear lever down, the gear goes up, bounce down. Again, the pilot operating handbook says, no, do not extend the gear while in vertical plane.